koutou, ko Anthony ia. He is Anthony.
And mua te rau Winton School, ko Riley ia. She is Riley. Welcome to the NEWS News for Rahia the 15th of February.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is karinga, which is te reo for home.
As in, ka te karinga aha. I am at home.
No, you're not. Get your feet off the furniture.
Aranga mai, sorry. Ki karanga, which is te reo for home.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high, from 1 till 3 o'clock.
Protection is required from 10 until 6, and you keep your hands off the UV index arrow, koutou, kia ora.
And high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Now, if you missed any of the notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices from the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
Ka pai, and a reminder that those sandpit toys go back in the sandpit at the end of break times too.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Harira and stay sharp, Winton School.